So guys, my new license plate bracket or holder came in the mail today, and these are from All Things Chrome, and it's side mounted. So basically, it goes on your side pegs as rather than your swing arms. Because I didn't want to mess with the swing arm whatsoever. Because I didn't think there's a way I could actually install one on my swing arm, so I decided to go with a peg mounted one, and it's pretty nice. It looks really good. But so a little bit of backstory. Like I said in some of my previous video, I lost my tags because it fell off my bike when I had my flats in my little incident a couple weeks ago. So I didn't want to repeat the same process, because every time I hit a bump, it touches the tire, and I think it contributed to my my issue that day. So rather than do that, I decided to use a side mounted one, So I'm gonna have it installed today. That way this weekend I can actually enjoy some wind therapy, right? So I contemplated installing this on the right side, but I think I finally made up my mind I'll put it on the left. And rather than have it sit inward, I'm gonna have it sit outward. That way it's more visible, So basically there's a screw here that I took out. That screw actually holds my M4 exhaust against the rear pegs. So I'm using the exact same screw to put it back in. Pretty easy process, right? All right. That's going nowhere anytime soon, guys. And here's my new pegs. So I got some of these. They're basically reflectors, right, for visibility at night. I mean, there's no light up there, but I think it reflects at night. So rather than using screws, I decided to go with this because I don't have lights. So on the rear, I do have light showing on the plate, right? But on this one, I don't. So I'm gonna use this until at least I figure out how to get lights mounted somewhere here to shine on this. So this will suffice for now. And here are my new plates. I'm gonna use all four this time, that way I get to see or observe when it actually does fall off the bike. Nah, doesn't work like that, guys. So this is so sturdy, way better than what I had out there. This is no longer touching tires. I still have to ride and see if my foot ever gets here, but I don't see how, because this peg should actually be for the passenger, you know. So there's no reason why my foot should get all the way back here or obstruct anything while I'm riding. So in as much as that's not the case, this actually came out perfect. So here's a close-up shot. And what it looks like from the back. Right. So up close, this is basically how I connected it. This screw was actually holding the exhaust to the peg. So I basically just took it out and had it installed. And that's how it looks from the rear. You know, it's pretty sturdy. I can't, it's not, the whole bike is actually moving just trying to shake this up. But there you go, guys. So guys, there it is. Pretty easy process, less than 5 minutes, and I have a new setup for my plates, and I hope this works a lot better for me than the previous one. So thanks guys for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.